All right, welcome back. Today we're doing a deep dive into a platform called ClickWages.
We are, and our main source for this is the big 2025 review from XGuide.
And if you've been online at all, you've seen this kind of pitch. Huge earning claims for doing what? Simple tasks. Clicks.
Simple clicks, referrals, you name it. The marketing is all about it being quick and effortless.
Right. Money for basically nothing.
Exactly. And that's our mission today, really, to get behind that hype and find out what the real user experience is like.
Because the source suggests that once you actually start using it, they feel completely different.
Completely. And we're here to break down where that trap is.
And that difference, it starts pretty much immediately, doesn't it?
Oh, right away. You log in, you click a few things, and you see those numbers on your screen start to tick up.
You get that little dopamine hit. Feels like you're making progress.
It does. But XGuide is very clear on this. The actual earnings, they stack up extremely slowly.
So that on-screen balance it's sort of an illusion.
It's a very clever psychological mechanism. Those numbers, they look good, but they don't translate easily into real withdrawals.
So they're just trying to get you invested.
Yes. It's the sunken cost fallacy. You see that number you've built, so you keep clicking even if it's not really going anywhere.
Which leads right to what the review calls the wall, the referral bonuses.
Ah, yes. The referral bonuses.
On paper, they look massive, like they could make up most of your balance.
They often do. But there's a huge catch. The source explains that bonus only unlocks after a lot of activity from the people you refer.
So it's not just about getting a sign-up.
No, they have to hit their own milestones. So for you, the user, reaching that final cash-out threshold takes way, way longer than expected.
It turns from a quick cash promise into an endless grind.
An endless grind is a perfect way to put it.
So let me ask this. If the clicks are worth fractions of a cent and the bonuses are basically locked, what are people actually doing on this site for hours?
That's the core question, isn't it? And the review gives a pretty clear answer. Users notice the tasks are just constantly redirecting them to long sign-up pages or these really complex third-party surveys, requests to install apps.
Wait, so the platform isn't paying you for your work. It's paying you a tiny amount for your data and your traffic.
You've got it. ClickWages benefits substantially more from your clicks and your attention than you ever will from their earnings.
It's less of an income source and more like a broker for eyeballs.
That's exactly how the source characterizes it. It's a reward-style site. The user isn't the employee. You're the product being sold to other companies.
And this all builds up to what sounds like the most frustrating part, the payout problem.
The final hurdle.
So even if you somehow navigate all of this and your balance looks high enough to withdraw, getting that payout approved is called the hardest step.
The hardest step in the whole process, yes.
Okay, but, XGuide doesn't call it a complete scam, but if the final step of getting paid is the hardest one, doesn't that make it a scam in practice for, 99% of people?
It raises a serious question about intent, for sure. The review labels it a teaser system.
A teaser system.
It's designed to look and feel like you're earning, just to keep you on the platform generating value for them. When you finally hit that threshold, the fast payouts they promised are blocked by, sudden verification demands or policy changes.
So the bottom line is it's not a reliable way to make money.
Not at all. It will not deliver fast payouts.
I think the key takeaway for you listening to this has to be the huge difference between seeing numbers go up in an app and having actual withdrawable cash in your bank account. That visual promise is deceptive.
It is. And if we want to apply this knowledge, the real insight is learning to see where the value is actually flowing.
Right.
If you're doing all the work, but the platform is getting all the benefit by selling your attention, it's not really an earning opportunity, is it?
No, it's a traffic generator.
Exactly. And it makes you wonder, what does earning even mean in the digital age? And what level of transparency should we really be demanding from services that monetize our time